So hi you all, welcome, and this is me Sonicka with Team Pankhuri, and we're going to be creating this extremely simple and very beautiful rainbow eyeshadow look. So let's start off. So for the rainbow eye, we're going to use the NYX Bright Mattes eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to pick this purple eyeshadow here and place it right in my outer corner. So place it in the outer corner and make sure that not a lot of it goes outwards and you have sufficient space to put the rest of the colors. So once you apply the purple, and especially if you have hooded eyes, make sure that it is seen slightly higher than the crease over here. Use the lilac shade on the edges of the purple, which helps to blend it a little more easier into the skin. So next up, I'm going to layer the red shade right next to the purple and also on the edges, which will help it to blend into the other color. So I'm just going to build up the red a little more to make sure that it looks very opaque and intense, and then tap on the edges, which helps to blend it out with the purple. I'm going to use a clean blending brush to buff out the edges of the red so that it looks much more smoother and diffused. We're going to press it and layer it because usually yellows do not look vibrant, and once there's no product on the brush, I'm slowly going to press it on the edges of the red. So next up, I'm going to use the NY Bay, the big apple of my eye kohl, in my waterline just for a little added depth. So next up, we're going to use a little bit of a blue aquamarine eyeshadow and use it right under our lower lashes, and also slowly take it till the purple and blend it out. So as you're doing this step, just make sure that you don't cover the entire lower lash line and you give it enough space for the next two colors, and you just slightly blend it out in the edges. So using a small fluffy brush, I'm going to slightly diffuse out the edges, which will help it to blend a little more into our skin. So next up, we're going to layer a little bit of a green eyeshadow just after the blue, but avoid putting it on the inner part of the eye as we're going to put a little bit of yellow there. And now we're going to go back to a little bit of yellow and press it just after the inner corner and slightly press it into the green. I'm going to use a little bit of the PAC Baked highlighter, and this is like a goldeny highlighter. So we're going to use a little bit of that golden highlighter right in the inner corner and slightly blend it into the yellow, and whatever is left, I'm going to add it on my brow bone. So now we're going to do a very thin eyeliner along our lash line, not a wing liner, just a basic liner for a little added definition. So once you're done with the liner, go for around 2 to 3 coats of mascara on your upper as well as your lower lashes, and make sure that you get it from the root all the way till the tip for that added volume. For that added drama, I'm going to throw on a pair of false lashes and I'll be right back. So lashes are on and this completes the look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is like the perfect rainbow eyes. So this completes the tutorial for the easy rainbow eyeshadow look, and if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag Pankhuri and we would love to see your recreations. And so if you like this video, please do give us a big thumbs up and stay tuned to Pankhuri by subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you guys for another video. Until next time, bye!